What's up, family? Today I'm gonna be showing you how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle with just one braided hair. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new to my channel or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful hairstyle with just one braided hair expression product. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned and I'll be showing you in details how I achieve it. It's so simple and easy. But before then, if you haven't subscribed, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to hit the like button as well and drop a comment at the comment section after watching the video. Tell me what you think about the S. So I did the cornrow off camera, and to achieve this hairstyle, what you'll be needing is your crochet pin and your braided hair. So you just want to go ahead and then cornrow the hair. After cornrolling the hair the way you see on your screen, you're just going to take little portion of your braided hair. After taking little portion of braided hair, you pass the pin, the crochet pin, through your hair, put the braided hair on the hook, and then pass the hair from the back side of the hair, and then put your two hands in between the hair and pull it out from the other side. That's just what you're going to do until you achieve the hairstyle. I'm going to show you one more time for you to know how it is done. So first thing, you need to put your crochet pin in between your hair, put your braided hair on the hook, pass it through the back, put the two tail of the hair out from the other side, and then flip the hair over or turn your hand over just to make sure it's tight, but not too tight so it does not hurt the person. That's just what you're going to be doing. You pass your crochet pin through your hair, your cornrow, put the braided hair, portion of braided hair you've taken, through the hook, close the latch, and then pass the hair through the back side. Put your two hands in between the hair and then draw the tail out from the other side. That's just what you're going to be doing until you achieve the hairstyle. And then when we are at the front side, I'm going to show you how the invisible closure is being done. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. I don't know, for my hot subby, you guys will notice this video I uploaded it before, but I mistakenly deleted the video and I sent mail to YouTube. They haven't responded for over a month now, so I decided to re-upload the video again. So that's just it. It's still same video, but I'm just changing my intro, and then I just changed my intro and then the voiceover, because the name I was using before, I changed it. I changed my name from Osai to Abigail Ifoma. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you do, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. If you haven't up to this time, kindly hit the subscribe button. Also, if you haven't subscribed, comment down below, let me know what you think about the hairstyle. Yeah.
Sweet music. Oh, yeah, yeah. Master Mark. Mini, 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 mo. Ah, mini, 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 sweet music. Oh, Jesus, you the oh my soul. Jesus, you the I just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything, Papa. You are the reason I'm singing, Papa. Oh, you are the reason I'm breathing, Papa. Oh, wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Wanna thank you, thank you, thank you away. I'll praise you, Lord, at all times. I'll constantly praise your name. You save me, Lord, from troubles. I'll constantly praise your name. I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Tataway. Home is your Wendy Quisia, Tigwanje. Biona, 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 bianje, nebiawe. Rekakusime, webare, yebare, tata. Yesu kusime, yebare, yebare, rugaba. I'm just a little boy on the street, trying to make life reasonable. I cannot do it by myself. Without you, I'm nothing, Baba. What can I do without you, Baba? Oh, what can I do without you? Right away. I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you. Webale, webale, Baba. If you trust the Lord, please take him personal. If you love the Lord, please take him personal. He is the Alpha and Omega. He's the beginning and the end. Oh, I love you, God.
It's who I'm in the mix.
Sweet Mosey.
So at this point, I was done crocheting the back side. So I'm just going to do the front side so you guys can see. What you need to do is to pass the crochet pin through the cornrow same way you've been doing. You're not putting space. Remember I said at the back side you need to put space in between the hair, but this front side you're not putting space at all. So you just pass your crochet pin through the hair and then close the latch same way you're seeing. Pass it through the back side, put your two hand in between the hair and then pass one. Now this time around you're passing just one braided hair, not the whole of the braided hair. You're passing just one braided hair and then tie it twice. After tying it twice, you just want to hold the two sides of the hair and pull it through as it out so it can tight. That way your invisible closure is set. It's so simple and easy. One more time, you just want to pass your crochet pin through the cornrow and then put your braided hair, pull it out from the other side and then pass just one braided hair to the other side. You just want to pass it out from the other side, one braided hair. This time around you're not taking two, you're just taking one tail and then tie it twice. So that's just what you're going to be doing, and then yeah, your invisible closure is set.
I'm just a little boy on the street, trying to make life reasonable. I cannot do it by myself. Without you, I'm nothing, Baba. What can I do without you, Baba? Oh, what can I do without you? Right away. I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you. Webale, webale, Baba. If you
Master Remark.
Mini, 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 money mo. A mini, 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 sweet mo say oh. Jesus, you the honor of my soul. Jesus, you the honor of my life. Just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything, Papa. You are the reason I'm singing, Papa. Oh, you are the reason I'm breathing, Papa. Oh, wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Wanna thank you, thank you, thank you, Tata. I'll praise you, Lord, at all times. I'll constantly praise your name. You receive me, Lord, from troubles. I'll constantly praise your name.
Master Remark.
I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Tata. Home is your Wendy Quisia, Tigwanje. Biona, 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 bianje, nebiawe. Rekakusime, webale, yebale, Tata. Yesu kusime, yebale, yebale, rugaba. I'm just a little boy on the street, trying to make life reasonable. I cannot do it by myself. Without you, I'm nothing, Papa. What can I do without you, Papa? Oh, what can I do without you? I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you. If you trust the Lord, please take him personal. If you love the Lord, please take him personal. He is the Alpha and Omega. He's the beginning and the end. Oh, I love you, God.
It's who I'm in the mix.
At this point, I was done crocheting the hair, so I'm just gonna brush it out. I'm taking care because you know it's synthetic hair, so you just want to section the hair section by section and then brush it out with your brush or your comb. Right now I'm using comb, so I'm just gonna brush it out and make it look neat, and then go ahead and put my hairspray, olive hairspray. Yes, and then that's all for the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't, please subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah.
Thank you for everything. Just wanna say thank you. Thank you. Thank you for everything, Papa. You are the reason I'm singing, Papa. Oh, you are the reason I'm breathing, Papa. Oh,